Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Dylan, again. Today, I have decided, I've been thinking about doing it for a while. There's that little Pontiac emblem, I'll show you here, on the steering wheel. And I seen before someone, this was quite a while ago, had a little like goat head on theirs, and I thought that was pretty cool. And I was like, hey, I could probably just, make one myself and try to stick it on just to see how it works. Just a little test here. Anyways, let's get started and try that out. So I was kind of guessing on the size of this, but I think I got to be pretty close with it. But anyways, I'm gonna clean that off a little bit, and we're gonna warm the sticker up the old-fashioned way, the good way. Okay, so now that we've warmed the sticker up, I'm going to go ahead and take this little backing off of here, try to line it up and stick it on as well as I can, and I'll show you how it turns out. Well, I actually don't think it turned out too bad at all. I was kind of worried. I knew the little Pontiac emblem on the steering wheel there is kind of like bulged out from it, so I was kind of worried about that kind of protruding through the sticker, which it kind of does, but I actually think it kind of looks cool with it coming out right behind the goat head. But it's just a little test to see if I could do this, and I can. So yeah, I like it, so I'm gonna stick with that for a while, unless I have a better idea, or if you have a better idea or something you think would be cool on there, leave me a comment below. I'd like to hear from you, and who knows, I'll probably end up trying it just to see. Also wanted to ask you guys for a little advice, or what you think would be cool. If you can tell, I'm sure you can tell, my shifter knob here, there's a nice big crack in it. I want your guys' opinion on if there's any specific ball or knob you think I should get. Leave a comment below if you got any specific one that you like or you think I would like, and I'll take a look into it, because I definitely need to get a new one. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Please comment below and subscribe if you would, please. I'd appreciate it.